What's going on, everyone? We're going to do a 10 minutes Navy SEALs Burpees challenge here. The idea is just to see how many you can do in 10 minutes. There's absolutely no pressure. Just the main thing is you complete and see how many you can do. Like I said, it's a nice easy workout you can do from home. You don't need loads of space. I mean, I've just got a tiny bit of space behind me that you're going to see to do this 10-minute workout. So let's get into it. All right, let's go. That's one. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Probably starting to feel them a little bit now. 10. Come on. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Let's start getting a little bit harder as you go on. I wish I brought some water with me now. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. It's a very good workout. Very good for your whole body. Great for your cardio. So let's keep going. 21. 22. How are we doing so far? Right, we're coming up to the halfway mark, so let's keep going. It's 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. Great workout, you don't need a lot of space to do this. Right, 29. Come on, baby. It's 30. Come on. Really start to feel this in my chest area now. 31. 32. Don't be afraid to take a little bit of a break between them. Especially, like I said, I'm feeling it in my chest a bit. So it's okay to give yourself a moment to recharge, you know? 33. 34. Woo. 35. 36. Ooh. I'm 7 minutes in, come on. Uh. 37. 38. 39. Come on. 40. This is pretty tough because each one of these is basically 3 push-ups. So, you know, I've done 40 so far. Thinking about it, it's about 120 push-ups. Pretty tiring, man. Let's get to 50 at least, come on. 41. 42. Come on. 44. Come on, come on. 46. I'm losing count now. 47. I know some of these are getting a little bit stocky now. 48. 49. That's 50. Oh. Look at that face. We've got one more pit in there. Come on. 51. So yeah, that was 51 Navy SEALs burpees in about 10 minutes. Like I said, it's a fantastic workout. You know, one you can do from home. You don't need a lot of space. I mean, as you can see, I moved my my baby seat into the corner, which gave me a little bit of space here, just enough to do that. But the workout's done. And that's the main thing. The main thing is you get it done. So let me know in the comment section, how many Navy SEALs burpees can you do in 10 minutes? How many did you do along with this exercise? It'd be great to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you so much. See you in the next one.